Hey there, real estate investors. Today, I'm diving into how to maximize your apartment investments with top-notch market insights. First up, market research. You need to analyze the broader real estate market in your area. Look at trends like population growth, employment rates, and income levels. These demand drivers give you a solid context for your property's long-term prospects. Next, let's talk submarket dynamics. Drill down into specific neighborhoods or districts. Assess factors like walkability, public transit access, and nearby amenities. This will help reveal your property's appeal relative to nearby areas. Now, on to comparing performance metrics with similar properties. Start with rental rates. Check if your property's rates align with market averages. This could uncover opportunities for rent increases or adjustments. Occupancy rates are also key. Compare these to determine tenant retention and demand relative to similar properties. Higher occupancy often means strong demand and effective management. And don't forget operating expenses. Evaluate your property's expenses against comparables. If expenses are above average, consider cost optimization strategies to improve your cash flow. All right, shifting gears to market trends, demand drivers, and supply dynamics. Track rental rate growth, occupancy, and new developments. Rising rents and high occupancy indicate strong demand. But watch out for new supply, it can increase competition. Look at demand drivers like job growth, proximity to major employers, and population trends. Areas with job growth and new businesses often see increased rental demand. Finally, keep an eye on supply dynamics. An oversupply of similar properties can pressure rental rates and occupancy downwards. Here's a quick example. If your property's rents are 10% lower than similar properties with similar amenities, there's potential for rental growth. Or if comparables offer amenities like fitness centers, consider these value-add improvements. By understanding these market insights, you can make informed decisions and truly maximize your apartment investment potential. Cheers to smart investing.